Hi! Oh, hello, pig. Are you Ricky? Did Ricky survive? My job here is done. I keep hiccuping. Oh, God. Oh, God. No more hiccups, please. They suck. Ah. Ah. Ah.
Boo. Are your hiccups gone?
They're not. Oh, God. But thank you. Oh, wait, I forgot. We can do the thing. Oh, Ichibata. Are you ill? I just have eczema on my face from eating chocolate. We're going to that party? I don't know. Oh. Oh! Pikachu! It's not Rosacea. I know what Rosacea is. It's not. Alright, I'm just gonna grant rewards. Let's do this one. Moderate. Moderate. Blah. Alright. I'll get diorite while I wait. Wait, the shulker! 10-part YouTube series. I'm just gonna do one video. We'll just have to cut it. It'll make me look smart. Oh yeah, we can start music. You're hot? I am not hot right now. Sorry. But thank you. Do an extended cut on the second channel for that one? Why? I'll ask Jordan how long it took him to finish that one. Maybe. Anyway, what's up, guys? How y'all doing today? Hope you enjoyed that little foray into adventure maps. Let's do another one sometime. If y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. I didn't realize how long that one was gonna be, though. That one was like ridiculous. And I don't know why it broke. It wasn't well designed. Like for people who break things. I mean. I thought you were leaving. I thought I was too. But the person who's taking me is not gonna be done with work for a while. It was long but fun. That's good. That was fun. God, I hate parkour though. Parkour maps should die. I mean, like, maps that are not specifically parkour. And I said, what about breakfast at Tiffany's? Ugh. Oh, we're still at 71? What the heck? Want to see me play Diversity? I have never... What is that map? What is that one? I don't know that one. But yeah, I'll try to find someone to play with. I'll ask Michael if he wants to play. Remember whom, but as I recall, I think. It's a huge map with multiple sections. What? I've heard Diversity 2 is good. Is it better with multiple people? Oh, this is big. God, there's so... This place is big! Damn. We should have been looking at China more. Have you tried the pinkies to eyelids? I have not. What is it exactly? You just hold your pinkies up to your eyelids or something? There's 3 diversity maps? Oh. Hold the pinkies lightly on your closed eyelids and breathe. Okay. Ugh. I don't know. Hold your breath for 7 minutes? Oh, wow. That would totes do it. Yeah. The moon is gone? What? You can't escape from my heart. Oh my goodness. Forcing yourself to burp? Nope, didn't help. I've never found a remedy that actually worked for hiccups. I just gotta just let it happen naturally, I guess. Spoonful of sugar. Hell no. That sounds terrible. Stand on your head and drink water. Oh yes, that's definitely it too. Let me switch to S&P Earth. I am a grill. I am a grill. That's all. Alrighty. Can you grill shrimp? Oh yes. Just put me on the right heat and I can grill anything you want. Excellent. Alrighty. Time for more diorite. Grill some beans. I don't really like beans. I'm not a bean type of person. TBH. I know, beans do have bad texture. I agree. Thank you. So true. Where the hell am I? Don't tell Sylvie. It's fine. Yeah, I'm just gonna strip mine. I gotta get a lot of diorite, so that's what I'm doing. Pardon me. It's making you hungry? Wait. Oh, talking about beans? You get hiccups when you're hungry? Michael and Poke are together tomorrow? Neat. Let's kill them. I'm with Wisp, so I'll get at least top 15. How do people do pranks and they can't even build in others' territories? Usually you can. Only some people have that weird protection thing. But they're not supposed to be on. Factions are not supposed to be like that, actually. Yeah, Wisp is really good. That's why even with my heavy ass, he should be able to carry me. Are the teams on? They announced the teams already. You carried Jordan? Good. Yeah, somehow I'll be carrying him. Yeah. Oh, there's lava here. Cool. Oh, I need to use my mouse. I finally have a mouse with buttons on the side, so I'm gonna try to use it. Because yesterday, when I did my commercial, they were like, hey, do you want any Razer products? And I'm like, yeah, if I could have a mouse with buttons, that'd be great. So they gave me one. Now I gotta figure out how to use it. Oh, look at this place. That's cool. Where are we? 8? So there should be diamonds around here. I got the Naga. They gave me the Naga. It's got a weird, like, number thing set up, though. It's got 7 buttons, but it goes like... It's weird, though, if you guys have seen the Naga. The buttons are weird. Like, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which feels like kind of weird to me. That's the MOBA setup. The Trinity? What do you mean the Trinity? That one's weird. There's others. Oh yeah, I do have other sides. But it's weird. They gave me the side plate, like 2 of the same side plate. And they gave me this one with 2 buttons. Naga Trinity? Is it? Oh, it is supposed to have those buttons. Oh, what the fuck? They messed up? No! Can I just buy the one with the... Oh, they messed up! That's the one I wanted! No! Can I just buy that? Naga Trinity side Oh my god, I hate hiccups. I hate this. Ugh. Scare yourself? How do? Diamonds, where are you? Has someone been here? Have I been here? I have been here. Your taxes are due? Okay, but I know they aren't due yet. I haven't even gotten all my tax returns or my forms yet from everybody. I hate taxes. I'm fine paying the taxes. I just don't want to have to file them too. So dumb. Oh god. And my face hurts. I hate that I'm allergic to chocolate. I hate this. I don't want to be allergic to chocolate. Nope, someone's been here before. No wonder there's no diamonds. There are people that can do them for me, but I also don't want to pay them money to do them. I don't have enough money to pay someone to tell me how much money I have to pay. Okay? God damn. I just realized. I'm gonna be using like all my Tesla money. Bet. Oh, bless the veins. What's the context? You come back to sheep? What? Taxes are easy for most people. It's not easy for me when I have like 20 sources of income. You didn't see me on the Minecraft Saturday list? I mean, I don't think the Minecraft Saturday list has been updated, has it? Oh no.
Oh, man. So we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging.
It shows week 5 roster? I don't see it. What? Where? Minecraft? I don't see it. Oh, on the website? Does it show Wisp? No, Wisp isn't there either? Huh. Wisp said he talked to them. I'll talk to Pika. Maybe they haven't confirmed everything yet.